about marketing tips. Today's topic is about the 3 lesser-known SEO tactics that will help more of your blog posts rank on page 1, get new customers to your website, and of course, turn them into paying customers. Hi, I'm Clarice Lin. If you're new to this channel, I talk about marketing and social tips to grow your business. So the 3 lesser-known tactics I'm going to share today is 1. Links. 2. Update. 3. More. The links I'm talking about today is each time you publish a new blog post, have you actually linked your old blog post to your new blog post? So when you're writing your blog post, the natural inclination is to link back to your existing blog post. But do you know that when you link your old blog post, something that has been published like 3 months ago or 6 months ago, and they are getting good traffic, if you link them to your new article that related somehow, it's going to let Google know that these topics are actually interlinked, it's related. And when you have more of these related topics on your website, Google perceives your website has the authority and the expert in this particular subject. Go back to look at all your blog posts and link to all the relevant ones that was published at a later date. You're going to see tremendous results. So number 2, update. For each of your blog posts that you have already written, go back to it, review it, and see if it's relevant anymore. Those irrelevant parts that's outdated, remove them. Or if you have new information or latest technology changes that's happened within the last 12 months, what you could do is to go back to those blog posts, look at it again, see where appropriate you can maybe link to new materials or maybe some upcoming new website that have good stuff. And you can also add on paragraphs. If you add on changes like 200 to 300 words extra, Google looks at it differently and they will actually perceive your website as more value if you're adding more useful, relevant information. This update would also let Google know that this page has been updated. So in this case, it's more relevant and it's more likely for Google to show it on the search results page. And third one is more. So more here means creating more blog posts about the same topic. So today, if you are selling children's clothes, so instead of just talking about the children's clothes, you can talk about the lifestyle and which activity is more suitable for which types of clothes and how should they choose the clothes for the baby. So instead of just talking about the materials of the baby shoes or baby clothes, you can also talk about complementary products that the baby uses, that you're going to get those parents who have babies to be more interested about your website, because not just getting to know about baby clothes, they can find relevant other items and resources easily. So they see your website has the top resource page. So they will view your website has the top resource where they will come to every time they want to know something new, or if they want, if they have a problem, their baby, in this case like problem, like they need something for their baby, they will come to your website immediately. But if you haven't implemented any of these 3 strategies yet, linking your old blog post to your newer blog post, updating your existing blog post with new and more relevant content, and writing more blog posts of the same topic, this is what you should be planning to do. Allocate 1 to 2 months to work on it, and you will see tremendous results. Is this the first time you have heard of these 3 tactics? Have you implemented any of this before? Was it effective for you? So if you found these 3 tips useful, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!